Hello YouTube, MES Religion here, and I'm back again with another video. In this video is literally breaking news right now. Manchester United want target Sergio Ramos to publicly declare his intention to leave Real Madrid this summer to pave the way for his transfer to Old Trafford, according to MARCA, which is a Spanish-based newspaper. So as you can see, the Madrid-based newspaper, which recently claimed United had made a €60 million offer for Ramos, featured the story on its front page on Friday under the headline, "United asked Ramos to declare that he wants to leave." So here it is, that's the front page. And there's the Ramos leaving thing. So there's his Twitter account. There you go. So let's go to this. AS also reports 60 million bid. They also report the 60 million bid, but says Real are holding out for more and do not want to include David De Gea in any deal. So they want to make it Ramos. If they do want to sell Ramos, they want to make Ramos and De Gea deals separate. They don't want anything to be linked. He still has yet to be offered a contract by Real Madrid, which expires in 2017. But they are reluctant to part with the Spanish international. Rafa Benitez says that Ramos is a key player for the club and that he is 100% certain that Ramos will stay at Real Madrid. Ramos will not declare his intention to leave until after he meets with the Real Madrid president Florentino Perez, because to do so beforehand would be disrespectful. And Ramos has got respect for the club, obviously. And I've made a video on this before, that Perez is gonna hold crunch talks with Ronaldo, and he's gonna fly out to China with the pre-season for Real Madrid is, and Ramos, they're gonna hold talks with Ramos basically. And if Ramos does declare that he wants to leave, then everything will be set for him to join Manchester United. This is literally breaking news. If there's any truth in this, I am really happy. I wish Ramos comes to Man U. He would be a great addition to our squad. Although I still prefer Otamendi, Ramos is still a well-established centre back. He would lift our players. This would be a good transfer of Manchester United. And if this does happen, Van Gaal, you can then call Van Gaal, mastermind in terms of transfers as well. He has literally completely changed the transfer philosophy at Manchester United in a good way. I don't care what Arsene Wenger is saying about Manchester United losing their way. He's questioning our philosophy, mate. Just because Arsenal, just because you don't spend money doesn't mean other clubs can't. Yeah. So Arsene Wenger, shut up. Yeah. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like this video because it helps me out a lot, and subscribe. Please subscribe for me because it helps me out and I appreciate it so much. Anyway, see you later.